Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can create subtasks for your tasks on ClickUp. So let us get started right away. Head over to your workspace on ClickUp and select the task you'd like to edit and customize. So let me go with that task number 2 here for demonstration purposes. And what you want to do after that, guys, is pay attention to that section here at the bottom, subtasks, and create a first subtask by clicking on that button below, add task, and after that give your subtask a name, like for example, I don't know, prepare guest list or something like that along the line. And then you may, for example, save the given subtask or assign assignees or team members to it, for example, or use templates for it, set a due date, set a priority status, label the given task, and so on and so forth. You may set a task type here, like a milestone, for instance, or a forum. And you may also mark the given subtask as to do or completed by simply clicking on that box here to the left and select the given status, like to do in progress or complete. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.